So I approached chapter one with a mindset of what can I do to improve my skills in writing goals for my math classes. So some of the points that I got from the chapter were that effective mathematics teaching and learning involves lesson preparation and lesson reflection. Clear goals must be identified and used to guide instructional decisions. In standard-driven lessons, students engage in a task and are not directly taught the concept. And that's how I teach most of my classes, with a task where students can construct their understanding of a concept, which meets a lot of pushback from parents. um, The conceptual understanding is constructed by the student using prior knowledge to engage in the task. Um, yeah, still in our school district, Iberia, where we use Eureka Math or Engage New York, which is a well-developed curriculum that is centered around students doing tasks and constructing their understanding of a new concept using their prior knowledge to complete the task. And there is still a lot of pushback from parents and from students who, and on more than one occasion, students will challenge me to teach him. I'm not teaching. Why don't I teach him what to do instead of trying to get him to figure out or, evaluate the situation and come up to a conclusion on his own. It's a much more engaging way to learn math. It's a wonderful way to teach. You get into one-on-one conversations with students and you really get to help them hone their skills in math instead of just drill, drill, drill. Just mimic what I do, and that's all you need to do. The chapter goes on to say goals must use the language of the discipline. No more change, flip, change, or foil that, or any of that, because that is not language of the discipline. Goals should be specific and state a clear instructional target. Be situated in a learning-driven model with clear learning goals. They should also be aligned with the instructional task, include solution strategies, identify possible questions that might come up, and good learning goals help with diagnosing students' understanding. Developing good learning goals will help teachers develop better understanding of the content, because you have to know the language that's used and the skills that students need to have with them in order to complete your task. So yeah, you have to know what came before you got to the content you're teaching, and you should know what's going to come after. The process of specifying learning goals should identify content, identify the type of understanding, and can be refined by using student work. Good chapter. I liked it.